Good morning, dear students. My name is Mohamedjanova Jana Akhtarina. I am a teacher of English, and today's theme is structure and function of teeth. Let's get started. Aims of our lesson: to increase students' vocabulary on the theme, to improve students' reading and speaking skills. And as usual, let's start with our active vocabulary. A sharp edge, adult, bicuspid, bony substance, bulk, canine, cement, cementum, chamber. Once more, a sharp edge, adult, bicuspid, bony substance, bulk, canine, cement, cementum, chamber. Chisel-shaped, crown, cusp, cuspid, dental tissue, dentine, enamel, eye tooth. Once more, chisel-shaped, crown, cusp, cuspid, dental tissue, dentine, enamel, eye tooth. Foramen, gum, identical, incisor, lower jaw, molar, neck, peck-shaped. Once more, foramen, gum, identical, incisor, lower jaw, molar, neck, peck-shaped. Periodontal membrane, premolar, pulp, roots, root canal, saliva, shape, socket. Once more, periodontal membrane, premolar, pulp, root canal, saliva, shape, socket. Tip, to chew, to cut, to grind, to maintain, to mash, to occur, to refer to. Once more, to tip, to chew, to cut, to grind, to maintain, to mash, to occur, to refer to shred, to tear, to buckle, upper jaw, wisdom tooth. Once more, to shred, to tear, to buckle, upper jaw, wisdom tooth. Now students, let's do pre-reading exercise. You know that this exercise makes text easier to understand. Translate the following word combinations into your native language in written form, please. Upper jaw, lower jaw, right side, left side, identical, specific size, shape and function, locate at the front of the mouth, cut foot, eye teeth, to tear and shred foot, to grind and mash foot, refer to, wisdom teeth, obvious, to chew foot, to aid speech, to maintain, digestive system, the hardest substance, the most sensitive structure. Okay, students, now our text. Structure and function of teeth. Adult humans typically have 32 teeth, 16 in the upper and 16 in the lower jaw. Teeth on the right side of each jaw are identical to the teeth on the left side. Humans have 4 types of teeth. Each teeth has a specific size, shape, and function. Adult humans have 8 incisors. Incisors are located at the front of the mouth. The function of incisors is to cut food. Next to incisors are canines. The upper canines are sometimes called eye teeth. There are 2 canines in each jaw. The function of canines is to tear and shred food. Next to canines are bicuspids or premolars. The function of premolars is to grind and mash food. There are 4 bicuspids in each jaw. After bicuspids come molars. There are 3 sets of molars in each jaw, referred to as the first, second, and third molars. The third molars are often called wisdom teeth. The function of the teeth are obvious: to chew food and mix it with saliva, to aid speech, and to maintain the position of the jaws. The teeth are the part of the digestive system. Each tooth is divided into a crown, a neck, and a root or roots. The crown of each tooth is covered with dental enamel. Dental enamel is the hardest substance of the body. The roots are encased in cement. Inside enamel and cement is somewhat softer bony substance called dentin. Dentin is the bulk of the tooth. The pulp of the tooth is one of the most sensitive structures of the body. The periodontal membrane covers the root of the tooth and holds the tooth in its sockets in the jaw. Now, students, let's try to answer the following questions. The first question is, how many teeth do adults have? Adults have 32 teeth. Are teeth on the right side of the jaw identical to the left side? Yes, they are identical. What types of human teeth are there? You know that there are 4 types of human teeth. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Where are incisors located? Incisors are located at the front of the mouth. What is the function of incisors? The function of incisors is to cut food. Next question, where are canines located? Canines are located next to incisors. What is their role? The role of canines is to tear food. Where are premolars located? Bicuspids or premolars are located next to canines. What is the function of premolars and molars? The function of premolar is to grind and mash food. How many sets of molars are there in each jaw? There are 3 sets of molars in each jaw, referred to as the first, second, and third molars. How are third molars often called? The third molars are often called wisdom teeth. Are teeth parts of the digestive system? Yes, teeth are the part of the digestive system. What parts is each tooth divided into? Each tooth is divided into a crown, a neck, and a root or roots. What dental tissues are there? There are 4 dental tissues. They are enamel, dentin, cementum, and pulp. What is the hardest substance in the body? Dental enamel is the hardest substance of the body. Which tissue composes the bulk of the tooth? Dentin is the bulk of the tooth. In what tissue are the roots encased? The roots are encased in cement. What is the most sensitive structure of the body? The pulp of the tooth is one of the most sensitive structures of the body. What is the function of the periodontal membrane? The periodontal membrane covers the roots of the tooth and holds the tooth in its sockets in the jaw. Now, students, post-reading exercise. You have several statements and you should agree or disagree with the following statements using the phrases. The first phrase is, "That's quite right," when you agree, and I'm afraid I can't agree with you when you disagree with the given statements. For example, the first, adult humans have 20 teeth, 5 on each side of the upper and lower jaw. Do you agree or disagree? Of course. We disagree with this statement and we are afraid we can't agree with this, yes? Because adult humans have 32 teeth. Do this exercise in the same way till the end. And the last task, retell the text according to the plan. You should say about types of teeth, structure of a tooth, and dental tissues. Thank you very much.